Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to boost FPS on Roblox. So first of all guys, if you want to boost your or increase your FPS, you have to please close your app, Roblox app. Now you just need to right click on your Roblox app and run it as admin. Run it as administrator and just allow it to now guys, once you open the Roblox app, you just need to open any game and I'll show you how can you increase your FPS up to 60 FPS. So just open any app, any game you play on Roblox. Now guys, once you open the game, you just need to tap on or click on this Roblox icon over here. Click on it and just click on settings, and in the setting you have to scroll down and just choose in game graphic mode as manual, not automatic, as manual. And in the graphic quality you have to set it as low as possible. So once you choose this setting, so it will help you you to run Roblox without any lag on your low end PC if you have. And after this, let me show you let me show you what is the FPS right now on my PC. You have to press shift plus F5 to see FPS. Uh, right now it is cool because right now I'm running multiple apps in the background. It might cause the FPS issue. So yeah, that's how you can increase your FPS. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.